Weekly jobless claims increase more than expected. The number of Americans filing applications for unemployment benefits rose more than expected last week, but there is still no sign of a significant pickup in layoffs even as economic growth has shifted into lower gear. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits increased 10,000 to a seasonally adjusted 227,000 for the week ended June 22, the Labor Department said on Thursday. Data for the prior economists polled by Reuters had forecast claims rising to 220,000 in the latest week. The Labor Department claims could rise further in the coming weeks as auto manufacturers temporarily shut down assembly plants for summer retooling. Companies implement claims are being watched for signs of a rise in layoffs stemming from a recent escalation in trade tensions between the United States and China. Rising risks to the 4-week moving average of initial claims, considered a better measure of labor market trends as it irons out week-to-week volatility, rose 2,250 to 221,250 last week. Despite the underlying strength in the labor market, the broader economy is slowing. Manufacturing, the Atlanta Fed is forecasting gross domestic product growth to rise at a 1.9% annualized rate in the April-June quarter. The economy grew at Thursday's claims report also showed the number of people receiving benefits after an initial week of 8 increased 22,000 to 1.69 million for the week ended June 15. The 4-week the continuing claims data covered the week of the household survey, from which June's unemployment rate will be calculated. The 4-week average.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.